there, this is Deborah, and today I'm going to be making some Cupcake Bunny cold processed soap. Now I have some micas here. This is a sample that I received from Mad Mica. This one's called Pretty Pink, Pretty Kitty. Some of the other ones I'm using is this is Bright Yellow Raincoat from Mad Mica. This is such a beautiful bright yellow. I love these colors. Beautiful. I'm also going to be using some Pow Pow Purple. This is one of my favorite colors that Mad Mica makes. This is just really gorgeous. These are pretty bright colors, but I think it's going to work out for what I'm using it for. And I'm also using some Monatica P. Hope I got that word right. Monatica P. Okay. That word actually means laughing. But anyway, these are some beautiful colors with a nice shimmery look to it. I'm also using some fragrance oil, bubble gum, and I'm using some coconut milk. Now the fragrance oil came from Amazon. So anyway, let's see here. Now I'm going to be doing, once again, the heat transfer method. And what that means is you don't have to have your butters and oils at the same temperature as your lye water. You can just go ahead and just put them together and just add your lye water right over into your butters and oils. Now in this lye water, I actually have some sodium lactate I'm going to be using to harden this soap, as well as help it to come out of the mold a lot easier. That's pretty natural. It's a natural ingredients also. Okay, now it won't take very long, usually about 4 to 7 minutes. And looking at this, I think it's going to melt a lot faster. Now I won't talk all the way through the video, but I will come back in and out of the video to share with you what I'm doing, so you can get an idea of what's going on. And I also like to say thank you so much for watching this video. I have a new immerser blender here. I think I might have a little bit of troubles out of it because I've been having troubles trying to get it to lock. So that's not good, but we shall keep going to see what happens. I'm adding the coconut milk over into the lye water with the butters and oils. And like I said, I'm having a little bit of troubles with this, but I will tell you more about it as we get down the line. I just want to also tell you thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you watch it to the end, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. This stick immerser is by KitchenAid, and it has a plastic I don't know, case in there. Now the bottom part is stainless steel because otherwise I couldn't use it in my soap with the lye. But this lock mechanism is just not holding. I mean, it shows a little arrow where you put it in and you turn it, and I've done that and it's still not working. So I'm not too thrilled about this, but I'm going to keep using it because this is the only one I have for right now. So hopefully I can get a hold to my other two because this is just not going to work. This one, I'm a little disappointed there. You know, when you are using any kind of sticky immerser, especially using sodium hydroxide lye, you want to make sure that nothing's going to pop loose and spill all over the place or on yourself as well. So I'm having to think about this here. Like, what is going on? See, it just popped right off. And I have tightened it, and I even looked to find directions, and there's just nothing. I'm making a mess here because I'm focusing on what is going on with this immerser, stick immerser here. So I'm trying to hurry up so that and I'm actually pressing down so it doesn't come loose, and I'm holding it. It just pops right off. I'm not really used to one like that. I'm used to ones that lock and you press something for them to unlock. So this is just not acceptable. Not for what I'm doing with this lye stuff here. But anyway, hopefully we'll get through this. Okay. As you can see, these are some really bright colors, but I believe it's going to do really good because what I'm actually shooting for is sort of a tie-dye look, and it looks like so far that it's actually looking pretty tie-dye look to me. So making a big mess here too. This is kind of challenging today. But anyway, we're going to get this done. We are going to get this done. I didn't want to muddy up the colors, so usually I usually go a little bit slower when I was pouring them into the measuring cup, but I went a little fast, but I think they're going to be all right. They look like they're not muddied up or anything. Looks like the colors are really holding up really well. So I'm really excited about that. These cupcake soaps are actually being made for my grandkids for Easter. I don't think they're going to get them at Easter, but they're actually being made for for them. They wanted me to make them some little fun soaps. So I've got a few other soaps I have to make as well, but I wanted to make them this because the little bunnies, you know, springtime kind of remind me of, you know, springtime and all of that good stuff. So anyway, I'm making these for them. Now I have to let this set up a little bit, and which you can see it already has, so a little bit behind you on that one. And I don't have my coupler on my piping bag here, so what was I thinking? So it's pretty, the piping bag is pretty full, and hopefully it won't ooze out from the side of the tip here. So far so good. Yeah, so far so good. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to make these little bunny soaps here for the grandkids and some of their friends as well. Yeah, just spilled that one all over the place. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this tip. Now I got some air in the bag there because I didn't squeeze it all the way down, and that happens if you are too high up with your bag. You just got to make sure that you make sure there's no air in it. Now I have some little eyes here. These are some soap dough eyes and bunny ears. So we are going to add those on. I also have some little whiskers there. So hopefully I can make this look cute so they'll like it. What do you think? Let's just see what happens here. Whew, that's a lot of work there. I hope these grandkids love this soap because that's a lot of work there. But anyway, as you can see, this is my little bunnies with the little whiskers and nose and eyes and bunny ears. I actually was able to cut these out with a little cookie press that I had there. So that worked out really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This little bonus I have here is actually to show you how I clean up my containers. Basically, I just take them and I wipe them down with a paper towel or a cloth, and the next day I basically can wash them. That way you don't have all that, lye and soap just, all over the place, especially if you're working in a kitchen that you use for your everyday use for your family. So I just basically wipe it down. It doesn't take long, and you don't have a whole bunch of mess. You don't have a whole bunch of lye soap solution in your kitchen sink. So this is just a plus. I've been doing this from the day one. It just works out really easy. Sometimes I leave it in a little bucket, and then I can, take it into the kitchen and wash it. So that way you don't have a big mess. No matter how much soap you're making, you can still do this because this is just an awesome technique. So now, if you like this video and this is a content that you enjoy, I hope you will subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you hit the like button, and I hope to see you next time for the next video. My videos are a little bit far away from each other lately, but hopefully I will get caught up here. Thank you so much. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Bye now.